Hey guys, Big Cal coming to you this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We're doing a double hitter, open house, 12 to 3 at 5313 Fernpark. Make sure you come through to this house. It's been redone from top to bottom. New kitchen, new floors, new paint, new carpet, new everything. This house won't last long. We're doing an open house Saturday and Sunday. Definitely want to make sure you come through. Find your new home. Come get these keys. So this home features 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, fully remodeled. We have new kitchen, new bathrooms, new flooring, new paint, everything. This house is ready to go. Let's take a look. Baltimore. As we come into the foyer, it opens up to the living room, the staircase. You can go upstairs. But for the most part, check this out. You got your big screen TV that can go here. You have your fireplace. You set your furniture up in this middle room, create a little ambiance. Nothing like it. This is definitely an entertainment area. As we come around, you'll have your dining room area here. That's all set, and it's right off the kitchen. Plenty of space in the kitchen. The kitchen has an island. And look at this wet bar wall to refrigerator. You definitely can put your cold drink items in there. You have your shelving. But take a look at this pantry. We come into this room and this pantry, absolutely amazing, all this space. One of the things I love about this is the new cabinetry. You pretty much have a new home with all the new appliances. When I say appliances, you pretty much have a new home, a new kitchen, new cabinets, new countertops, all new appliances. This is definitely an opportunity for you to live Northwest Baltimore. Take a look upstairs. So when you come upstairs, it opens up to 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, as well as a full bath. Each bedroom has plenty of light. Each has a ceiling fan, and look, it's cool because it works on the remote control. Each room has a closet, and because it opens up on this main floor here, all 4 doors are here, all 4 bedrooms are here, you have the full bath. That full bath makes living in a 4-bedroom home absolutely wonderful. So, we're gonna go upstairs again to the 3rd floor. Now this floor here takes you up to the 3rd level and reminds me of a lot of new home construction because pretty much almost a studio apartment. This closet is huge. I love the LED lighting, smoke detector up in the ceiling, but you're gonna love this bathroom. Full bath, and this amazing shower. Check this out. You got your glass shelving in both corners, tile floors, and dual vanities. And I love it with these windows being like they are. They're not, I don't know, it just seems like it's a really nice look with these windows being low like they are. All because we're on the 3rd floor. So, 1st floor fully done, 2nd floor fully done. Let's take a look in the basement. I love that the basement is accessible through the kitchen. Oftentimes, some homes you have to go to the other side of the house, but it's always usually like under the steps. So let's go downstairs to the basement. So the basement opens up to another bedroom, which makes this home 6 bedrooms, and again, 3 bathrooms, 3.5 baths, because we have a half bath on the 1st floor, a full bath down here. So bring your family, bring your friends, definitely want to come and check out this home here in Howard Park. Again, Howard Park is close to the Beltway, close to Baltimore County, bike trails in Baltimore County, walking trails in Baltimore County. This home is priced less than the new construction that's going on in Baltimore, but at the same time, you get all new everything. New paint, new floors, new carpet in the basement, new kitchen, you definitely saw that, new HVAC. It's a great opportunity for you to own your new home right here in Baltimore. Well, there you have it. Howard Park is a great community. If you want to check it out, give me a call, 443-281-9800. Shoot me an email, yournewhomesales@gmail.com. Please like and subscribe to the channel because we'll be showcasing more homes like this one here in Howard Park, but in different communities all over Baltimore. And you don't want to miss your new home on our show. Thanks for watching. See you next time.